Today, we're excited to introduce the SHW Home Office 40-inch computer desk in sleek black, a versatile addition to any home office, studio, bedroom, or even kitchen as a dining table. This modern design desk features a sturdy steel frame with a powder-coated finish and is crafted from environmentally friendly particle board, ensuring both durability and style. Assembly is a breeze with step-by-step instructions and all necessary hardware included, making it easy to set up and start using right away. With dimensions of 40 inches wide, 19 inches deep, and 28 inches high, this desk offers ample space for your computer and other essentials while maintaining a compact footprint. Its patented design, with patent number USD 9239988S and US 20,210,244,176, ensures a unique and functional piece that stands out in any room. Whether you're working, studying, or dining, this desk is designed to meet your needs with elegance and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.